Because of the conflict between the Hezbollah and Israeli forces, the government is considering placing Lebanon under crisis alert level 4. The Middle Eastern country is currently under level 3, which allows voluntary repatriation for Filipinos. If Lebanon is placed under level 4, all Filipinos living there are mandated to leave the country. So far, over 700 Filipinos have already requested for repatriation.
We are actually preparing na for in that eventuality kung talagang if it comes to that. Raising alert level 4 is well, we'll just have to see, we'll have to monitor. Kasi nga po, voluntary repat. Ilan lang po ang nag-avail. How can we force people to, to go into these shelters kung ayaw naman nila?
Okay, so actually the Foreign Affairs Department is closely monitoring the situation in Lebanon. The Philippine Embassy in Lebanon reminded Filipinos there to keep safe amid the ongoing conflict.
Recently, there have been sonic booms. Yung naririnig yung pag-fly ng mga Israeli jets. Talagang sinasadya nila na pag they go low in the city, may sonic boom, nababasag yung mga glasses ng windows.
Yan. So although alert level 3 pa lang tayo, level 4 yung mandatory, sinasabi na nga ng gobyerno natin, as much as possible, umuwi na lang tayo. Pero yung iba kasi nagdadalawang isip pa sila. 'Di ba? Kasi syempre doon meron silang trabaho, dito wala. Anong gagawin nila dito? Although I have read nung August 1, nag-start na rin pala magpa-uwi ang government natin ng mga Filipinos from Lebanon, 19 overseas Filipino workers to be exact. And there were 3 minors as well were flown back here in Manila. So ang ginagawa nila dyan, of course, itong Department of Migrant Workers and the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, binigyan nila ng financial assistance and job facilitation services yung itong mga pinauwi dito. And that will be also yung gagawin nila dun sa mga iba pang uuwi. Pero yun nga, yung iba naman nakapag-asawa na sila ng mga Lebanese doon, kaya yung iba ayaw na rin nilang umuwi dito. And mahirap kasi, nagkakagulo doon eh, di ba? So sana wala naman din na, kumbaga, may mangyari doon sa mga iba pang tao na nandoon sa Lebanon. Alright, hopefully we can talk to somebody regarding this para magkaroon tayo ng update doon sa mga na-repatriate natin na mga kababayan natin from Lebanon.